So where I left was, I think, cotton fiber. And starting cotton fiber, the cultivation of cotton, we know cotton has important place in clothing industry. Okay. And cotton fiber has been used for clothing from historical times. There are few states that are, that used to cultivate cotton in India. One is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Mumbai, Chennai, Punjab, Gujarat, etc. So cultivation of cotton. Cultivation, first of all, there are two favorable conditions which are required for the cultivation of cotton. Okay. You cannot grow it anywhere where you like. First condition is black soil. Black soil is required. And another condition is warm climate. Climate should neither be too hot nor too low. Okay. So black soil is good for its growth. Black soil, it has a tendency to store water for some time. That is why it is required. Another thing, the area where rainfall is about only 30 to 35 centimeter. Rainfall is how much? 30 to 35 centimeter is sufficient for the growth of the cotton. And there must have 200 hot days, means summer type of weather. Okay. Season. 200 hot days are required with sufficient sunlight and water content for the cultivation of cotton. And one more thing, frost is harmful for cotton plant. Now let's start that how cotton is cultivated. First of all, we know that cotton plant has a general height of about 1 to 3 meters when flowering starts. The cotton plant gets white colored or yellow colored, and the fruit of the cotton plant is known as cotton ball. These cotton balls are obtained after drying of these flowers, and we get fibers from these cotton balls. So first of all, when we pluck cotton flower, okay, the flower which dries up, okay, it's been harvested, okay, and we obtain raw cotton. This cotton has many seeds in it, and we used to remove these seeds, obviously, otherwise the fabric will not be of very high quality. We will be unable to obtain a good quality cotton. So raw cotton, first of all, seeds are removed from it, and the process of removing seeds is known as what? Ginning. What it is known? Ginning. Ginning can be done either by hands or by machines. Okay. So these two steps are clear. Cotton is harvested when it is at its flowering stage, and then ginning is done where we remove seeds, and now the third step is spinning. Spinning is what? Process of making yarn from fiber. Okay. This is now I am showing you roughly what is done during spinning. This is actually a cotton wool. Okay. Cotton. I am spreading it. Okay. And now what we have to do is to make this type of roll it. When you roll it, okay, suppose you have rolled till now, I hope it's clear now. Now start twisting with the help of your thumb. So you will find that it will slowly changes into thin yarn. This is done by hand right now. It can also be done by spinning machines. So there is a tool which very quickly spins the yarn. and it is known as hand spindle or takli. Another tool is charkha, okay, which all of you might have heard. And the last one is a spinning machine. When we want to produce cotton on large scale, we need spinning machines, okay. So charkha is, have you seen charkha? Have you ever gone to museum? If you had gone to museum, you might have seen it was Gandhi Museum, as far as I remember, where I saw charkha, okay. And this is another hand driven device used for spinning. The use of charkha was popularized by, it was made famous by, I hope all of you answer, it is Mahatma Gandhi, or father of nation. He encouraged the people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn and requested people not to wear cloths made in mills of Britain. So cotton yarn is actually from obtained from cotton. This is twisted in small threads, which in turn twisted to form cotton yarn and wounded over a spindle. I hope this point is clear to you, that we obtain after spinning, we have now a yarn, a thread, out of which we can make a fabric. Now these yarns are arranged into sets, okay, alternatively, and this makes a weaving pattern. This is known as weaving, arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric with the help of hand loom or power loom.